The instructional purpose of this video is to introduce the literary genre of magic realism found in our new class reading, 100 Years of Solitude by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. As we have grown up, we have been introduced to many types of literary genres. Since we have had lots of exposure to literary genres that come from European countries and authors, I would like to highlight a literary genre that is native to South America. Context is important in order to understand magic realism. Lots of Latin American countries were colonized by Spaniards, who took over most of their land and controlled it themselves. The United States was also part of taking over some lands in Latin America years later after colonization. This was called imperialism, and also the Monroe Doctrine, in which the United States claimed Western Hemisphere influence. Latin America's rich soil and tropical climate is perfect for crops to grow, from which U.S. imperialists have taken advantage to grow their own cash crops. Sadly, this comes at a cost of land and its workers. Much of Latin American workers are exploited for their labor. Based on the history and context of Latin America and its exploitation, 100 Years of Solitude is the first to highlight that using magic realism. The town in 100 Years of Solitude is called Macondo, which, much like Latin America, is full of green land and an array of animals. In Macondo, a lot of the mundane seemed out of the ordinary, and out of the ordinary seemed mundane. And this is the main descriptor of magic realism. In the story of 100 Years of Solitude, characters come and go, representative of the imperialism and the colonization that Latin America has gone through. I'm excited for the class to dive deeper in this extraordinarily normal but surreal story.